For many people coming into the country, Lagos is the first city they visit. Even for those exiting the country, chances are really high that they are going to pass through Lagos. And for those kind of persons, because they might have morning flights or flights at night, their priority when thinking about a place to stay is usually a hotel that's not just beautiful, nice, serene, but also very close to the airport. Like somewhere you can get to the airport in like 15 minutes, right? And that's why when we found this beautiful space, we're like, no way, we need to plug you guys in. So fam, this is Dover Hotel right here in Ikeja, and this is just 15 minutes away from the airport. Here is a room tour of what this place looks like. So I'm going to start with the restroom. I'll show you the main hotel room. I'll tell you my favorite things about this hotel. I'll show you the halls and what breakfast option looks like. So just keep watching. So this is the restroom. Just pretty basic, nothing extra, but really nice and neat. So you have your toiletries, your towel. I like the fact that this mirror has like this light you can plug in and then just becomes really colorful. And this is the room proper. I really love this room. I love the fact that the hotel is big enough to, that's the hotel bed. The bed is big enough to occupy 2 adults comfortably, and it's really beautiful. Not too much extras, not too much designs, but very, very beautiful. And I like the colors, right? Brown and white. It was really nice. And I'll tell you some of my favorite things about this hotel room. Number one, I like the fact that it's well lit, so you can turn on all the lights and everywhere becomes really bright. And I think that's really important to me, because if I want to take pictures or make videos, it's really, really bright. And also they have a standing fridge, they have like beverages there as expected. There's a couch for you to sit. One thing I love again is the fact that there's enough storage space. So I like the fact that they had lots of cupboards, and the wardrobe too was really spacious. There's a chiller here also. I don't know if it's functional. I didn't just try to put that on, but then like I said, there's a lot of storage places, so you can keep things in the cupboards, and then there's still wardrobe there. And another thing I really love is the fact that they had enough place to charge. Like you go to some hotels and it's just one spot available for you to charge, but here they had about 2 to 3, and I really liked that. It might look like nothing, but to me that's really important. So this is the wardrobe. Like I said, lots of compartments, and there's a safe in it as well. So one of my favorite things about Dover Hotel in general, that's this one here in Ikeja, is the fact that it's in 2 blocks. So when I mean 2 blocks, like 2 complete blocks full of rooms. And I feel like that's really nice, because that just tells you they have enough rooms. While we're here, different companies were having meetings simultaneously, and when I tell you that they have enough space, they have enough space to occupy. They have multiple halls, they have multiple rooms. So it's really nice if you are probably planning a conference or something for a lot of people. It's pretty easy. There's one hotel that's going to occupy everybody. So I want to show you guys a glimpse of what the breakfast buffet looks like. So I'm going to be taking you guys down this morning, so you see what we're going to be having for breakfast. I really like the fact that they had lots of options, and I'm like, no, I must show you guys this. I know one question on your mind would definitely be, what's this hotel room cost? Well, the hotel rooms at Dover Hotel in Ikeja starts from 120,000 naira per night. So you tell me, do you think it's worth it based on what you've seen? 120k per night is what this room here costs. And they have suites, they have the rest of that, but then for the least room here is 120,000. I decided to give you guys a glimpse at what the hall looks like. So this is just one of the many halls they have. They come in different sizes, and they can be designed or customized depending on the event or whatever you're having. But then the basic hall has air conditioners, about 2 in the hall for this size of halls. There's the projector, there's like a board, and then they also give you that customized pen and jotter if you are having a conference there. I think it just comes together with the fee you pay to use the hall. So I decided to show you guys the hall here in Dover Hotel, and now I'll be moving you guys towards the breakfast buffet side, so you see what the platter looks like. I like the fact that they had lots and lots of options. So fam, you tell me, do you think it's worth it? 120,000 naira for a night here at Dover Hotel. And like I said, what makes it really special to me is the fact that it's really close to the airport, because from here we're going to be taking an international flight. So I love the fact that you don't need to be scared on what time you're going to leave the hotel and what time you're going to arrive at the airport. It's just a straight drive, and all things being equal, you wouldn't even get so much traffic. So when I say 15 minutes, I really mean like 15 minutes. This is what the breakfast buffet platter looks like. I like the fact they have lots of options. And once there are different maybe companies having different meetings, they just section it in a way that there's enough, so everybody doesn't need to gather just at one spot for breakfast buffet. You can have some at the left, you can have another at the right, and though it just makes everything pretty easy and nice. I like the fact that the staff here are really friendly. There were times I walked up to them to make an inquiry or maybe make a request. They were really nice, they were really friendly, and I really enjoyed my stay here, and I'm like, fam, I must recommend. So if you are in Lagos, you're looking for somewhere beautiful to stay, or if most importantly you want somewhere that is very close to the airport, I feel like you should try out Dover Hotel. You will definitely enjoy your stay here. If you enjoyed watching this video and you are not subscribed to our channel, please, this is the best time to do so. Do well to give this video a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, turn on notification bell, because that's the only way you won't miss out on any of our videos. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. You already know you mean the world to us. Thank you so much, fam, for watching. Share your thoughts with me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.